Here we are looking at the 1958 Packard Hawk. Supercharged, fins, twin radio antennas, gold trim on the sides of the fins. This is a spectacular car. Beautiful chrome, excellent paint, high quality all the way throughout. Let's just get something on the side. Nice straight body panels. Look at that. Yep, this is really great. Okay, so we're gonna start the car and take it for a drive. All right, we got charging. It's nice and cool. Tachometer works. The vacuum and supercharger pressure gauge works. That's cool. Gas gauge is working, and excellent oil pressure. And so we've got the horn, wipers. What else is there? Turn signals. That's all good stuff. So we put it in drive and go for a drive. Good rumble from the dual exhaust. Power steering and power brakes. We're going to look at it on the left side here, driver's side. Just take a walk around. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Love that gold sheeting stuff. That is just the greatest. I mean, it was the 50s. Everybody was in a upbeat, positive mood, and it showed in the cars. All right, so we got nicely done interior, excellent dashboard, yeah, nice headlining, wow, an armrest there, that's kind of neat, and SP Studebaker Packard seat belts, really nicely done.